Hey guys, welcome back to Taste Forever. I'm Isabella, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a mug cake in 5 minutes. So first, the ingredients that you're going to need is flour, brown sugar, cocoa powder that is unsweetened, butter, unsalted, and milk. And you will need some measuring cups. You will need a 1/4 cup and a tablespoon. Okay, so let's begin. So I already have out all my flour, so I'm just gonna, and my butter. You have to melt the butter. You could put it in the you have to put it like in a bowl, and then you go and you just put it in the microwave, and you heat it up for like, let's say about like 30 seconds. Something like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna add in all my flour. Okay, next I'm gonna add in the brown sugar. Oh, this is 1/4 for the flour, 1/4 cup, and for the butter, it is 2 tablespoons. The sugar is also 1/4 of a cup. I'm just going to speed this part up. Okay, so the sugar is in there. You can see right in there. Oh, that better? Better? Okay, so now we're just gonna close up the sugar, put that aside, and next we're gonna have 2 tablespoons of the cocoa powder. Remember, it needs to be unsweetened. Okay, now that that's in, it gets kind of dirty, so you could just put it inside the other one, like that. Okay, next we're gonna need the milk, and for the milk, we're gonna have 1/4 cup, but it's really heavy, so I'm not gonna do it on the camera. I'm just gonna have to, do it quickly. So, okay guys, so I got 1/4 cup of sugar, no, not sugar, milk. So now I'm just gonna pour it in. I have to just put it in there. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix it in. You're gonna have to mix it in with a whisk, and you don't wanna mix too hard or else it's gonna go flying everywhere. You don't wanna be mixing way too hard like that. You just kind of want to be rotating it around. Okay guys, so it's getting there. You want it to be really creamy, so you don't want any big chunks in there. And this is really easy to make, and it's really good. It's a brownie. So I've got it pretty much done, as you can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the microwave. For the microwave, you're gonna want to put it in there for about 2 minutes, and if it's not all the way cooked, then you could put it in there for another minute. So about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay guys, so look at it. It's really smooth now. So that's the texture that you want it. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go put it in the microwave. Okay guys, so I just just cooked it for 2 minutes. I was just realizing, so depending on what kind of microwave you have, you might not want to put too much for it too long. So like go maybe like a minute at a time. If your microwave is like pretty good, you could put about just 2 or 3 minutes. But when it's your first time doing it, then just put it for 1 minute. So here's mine. Here's how it's supposed to turn out. Now I'm just going to check to see if it's good. If nothing comes out on your spoon or fork or whatever you have, then that means that it's good. So now I'm just going to go ahead and eat it. It's really good. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. See you later, guys. Bye.